Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you two pieces that I bought quite recently that you guys haven't seen here on my channel because I simply wasn't posting. And I feel really bad about disappearing from YouTube, and I will try to catch you guys up on every single purchase that I made during this 4 months that I've been away. But we'll start from the two from Stuart Weitzman and Prada. I'm super excited, and if you're interested, then keep watching. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings, just like this one today. And I hope you will love it here on my channel, so make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell, and you can also follow me on Instagram if you're not following me there yet. I post there very frequently, a lot of reels, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it there as well. And with that said, let's get right into the unboxing. So I've got this big box from Stuart Weitzman, and I ordered this, I don't remember when exactly, but I think it was back in September, like mid-September. They started doing their first mid-season sales for all winter stuff, and I think I got this 20% off, but now they go on some websites for up to 35% off, I guess. So I'm not sure, don't quote me on that if that's not true. I'm really sorry, but I will try to link this below if you like them, and you can definitely check them out. But these boots are a new style. Before I forgot the name, they're called Lowland Lift in sweat leather, and now let me show them to you. They're not in the box, they're here because I already wore them, and they look like the good old over the knee boots from Stuart Weitzman, but this is a new style because they have a different sole. This sole is a little bit chunkier, it's a little bit sporty, and I think it just fits my lifestyle better since I wear more sporty stuff. I still like something a little bit more trendy, and I think this is on a more fun side, I would say. It's not such a huge classic, but another thing that I loved about this sole is that since it is chunky, they will be more warm, that's for sure, because more space between your feet and the ground, and also because I'd be able to wear them even if there is a little bit of the snow on the ground. So the shoe itself, since it's wet, it's not gonna get damaged because the sole is quite chunky, as you can see, and it has this rounded toe look, which I also really love. I love pointy shoes, but on my heels or mules, something like that. But when it comes to boots, I really do prefer something more rounded because this shape is more comfortable for me personally. And this is what they look like when I open them like this. So as you can see, they're pretty tall, over the knee style. As I said before, they have these two ties at the back, so you can tie them depending on the size of your thigh, which is very convenient because you can truly adjust the size. And inside, I think they have, yes, this fabric lining. It's like satin fabric lining, and I would say they run true to size. I am usually a 37 and a half. I got this in the size 37, and they're good on me. I wanted to get a 37 and a half, but I read that this run just a tad bigger, so I'm glad I didn't because they would have been too big. If you're looking to buy this style of shoes, I would suggest to take your regular size or get a half size down, preferably. Yeah, here's the boot. I really love them. I always wanted these boots. It's been such a long time. I think I've had them on my wish list for over, it's not even a lie, for over, I would say 5-6 years. I used to have a dupe, similar boots, but from Zara back in the day. It was back in 2014, I think, 15. But I always wanted the original, and I finally found the perfect pair because I wasn't like a huge fan of that sole, as I said before. But this, it just ticked all the boxes for me. They are the most perfect over the knee boots for me. And this is my first pair from Stuart Weitzman. I only got to wear them once this year because it wasn't that cold and I wasn't wearing any skirts, but I did wear them once for dinner and I absolutely loved them. I had to walk for quite a bit and they were really comfortable, which is a major plus. Because sometimes when you buy something like this, sometimes they just turn out to be very uncomfortable, impossible to walk in. And I truly believe that shoes are meant for walking and they have to be comfortable, especially if you pay a premium price. It's a must for a shoe to be comfortable. And yeah, really love them. So if you're interested, once again, I'll try to link them below from both the official Stuart Weitzman website as well as other retailers, depending on who has a better deal. So keep an eye on that. And now I want to share with you a jacket that I wanted since last winter and I finally got it. It's from Prada and I revealed it already on my Instagram. So guys, if you want to be ahead of all of my purchases, make sure to follow me on Instagram. But here it is. It's the nylon gabardine jacket. I think that's how it's called. But it is this humongous, pretty heavy, ginormous jacket in black color in nylon. As you can see, it makes a lot of noise. And it has this Prada logo over here, fake pocket. But whenever you buy a jacket, for example, and you try to use a pocket, it is usually like closed and you have to cut all the little needles inside. And I'm not sure if it's the case with this jacket because I tried getting these pockets out and I can feel something inside, so probably it is like there is a small pocket inside still, but I'm gonna have to do it very carefully with scissors because I was just playing around with it with my fingers, but I'm pretty sure you can open this pocket and actually use it because for now it's stitched, and as you can see you have this mock pocket type of thingy on both sides. And this jacket also comes with a belt. Here is the belt, what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I think it's also a very versatile piece and I can put it over some of the coats that I own or some of the dresses or even blazers actually. This would be such a cool idea to put it on top of a blazer because I've seen similar blazers on Prada website. So that's really nice. It has a Prada logo over here. It's in this chrome material and I got the jacket in size 40. Usually I'm a size 42 Italian, but with this jacket it's really oversized. I had to size down and I think it looks really good and I am obsessed with it. It is very warm. I wore it a couple of times already and you guys, it is extremely warm. So if you live somewhere in like Siberia or something, you must get this jacket because it is honestly the warmest. It will keep you so nice and warm inside. It's amazing. But also what I love about it, although it is so freaking warm, it has a hole here and then it has this slit here at the back. Can you see? And this way you get some air flowing through your legs, letting you cool down a little bit and not feel really hot and boiling inside of it. So this is something I really love about this jacket. It's like it keeps you warm, but at the same time it lets the air go through your body a little bit, to like cool you down. This jacket is a little bit on a pricier side, I will admit it, but I found the cheapest prices on My Theresa, and I will also link it down below if this jacket is still available on the website, because Prada had a price increase quite recently and everything went up. Shoes, accessories, ready to wear, bags, everything went up in price, including this jacket. So it didn't have the price that it used to have last year, but it had a new price, which was, I think, something like 200, maybe 300 more expensive, which is a lot of money, And My Theresa still had all prices, and of course I had to order it from them. And I also got a pretty good cashback on this jacket, which is amazing. But if you like this style, you definitely should check them out. Once again, I'll link both styles, the long version and the short version of this jacket, in the description box, and you can definitely check them out. But I am obsessed. I'm so glad I made this purchase. The only downside of this jacket is that you have a belt, right? So you put it around your waist, but then the jacket itself, it doesn't have any loops to hold the belt, and it's kind of annoying because whenever I go inside, for example, you know, I want to unbutton my jacket because it's getting really hot, and once I do that, I have to hold the belt in my hands, or I have to put it in my purse, and my purse has to be big enough to fit the belt. That is a little bit annoying, I would say. Without the belt, it just looks like a jacket you borrowed from your boyfriend, husband, your dad, whoever it is, but it looks really manly and not flattering at all. So you definitely have to wear it with a belt. But once again, since it doesn't have any loops for the belt on the jacket, it's kind of annoying to have to deal with it once your jacket is unbuttoned, for example. That is one thing to keep in mind. If you get annoyed really easily, I suggest you don't get the jacket, but if it's something that you can manage, then for sure get it, because I absolutely love it, and especially with my new boots, I think it will look so freaking good. I haven't worn two together, but I had this idea in my head, you know, if I were to wear like a dress and then my boots and then this jacket on top, it's just the perfect combo. And I will show you some mod shots of both jacket and the boot, and you can really see how they look on. But love both pieces, I'm very happy with them. So guys, here is the jacket, and when I just button it without a belt, this is what I meant when I said it looks ridiculous without a belt. Can you see? It's just way too huge. But I really love the way of these two pockets, and everything about this jacket is just so beautiful. Let me get the belt and I'll show you what it looks like with the belt on. So here it is. Another issue is putting the belt on you. Okay, and now, okay, done. As you can see, once the waist is cinched in, it just looks so much better, and I absolutely love the look. Jacket is really oversized. As you can see, it is ginormous, but it's super warm, and this is what I really need in a jacket, especially here in Geneva. It's not that cold during winter. It doesn't usually snow that much either, but one thing that I hate the most is the wind. It is the worst here in Geneva. It is so freaking cold, and you must, you know, have either a ton of layers on you or something as warm as this jacket, of course with a turtleneck, maybe a scarf on. Here is the little logo on the left side. It is just so good. What do you guys think? I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!